Go through all the courses. All courses are amazing, and ask more and more and learn more and more and review everything whatever you have with the courses, and also relate it with your current problems, whatever is going on in your locality, in your community. Just correlate it and ask the tutor, because this is the time you can have all the support.
My advice would be to try and keep up with the program and not fall behind, because it's very hard to catch up once you've done
that. For new student, be focused and do your work on time, otherwise it will cost you, and it's not easy to carry with your job, but you should have a plan so that you can carry your assignments on time, otherwise it will cost penalty.
You have to learn how to balance your time, because that's where the issue comes. If you're in full-time employment, you have other engagements, and the courses are also demanding. So you have to plan your things. How are you going to do the work over the week and also handle the others so that you're able to submit in time? And I am sure as long as you plan it in time, you'll have no challenges. You don't plan, you're always going to be on a rush when it's time for submitting the assignments.
New students, the first year is very good, but the second year is when it kicks in. It's a lot of work, the number of courses are higher, and you need to invest a lot of time to get the best out of the course. So that's the advice I would give new students, but I would also highly recommend doing this course.